LTZ all-wheel drive. Navigation. Sunroof. Leather. Trailering package. GM certified 2012 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive, silver ice metallic jet black heated leather seats, 3.0 L56 engine under the hood, 6 SPD automatic transmission, TRAILERING package, GM special event vehicle here. You would be the first real owner. Let's go over all the Funyons: 7 touchscreen navigation, power glass sunroof, remote start, premium 8-speaker sound, rear vision camera, Bluetooth, rear parking assist, 18 chrome clad wheels, dual exhaust tips, chrome appearance package, 3 free months ONSTAR, 3 free months XM radio, 2 years 30,000-mile maintenance included. Covers your oil changes and tire rotations. But wait, internet shoppers, there is more. You also get a 48-month 48,000